Are you looking for the best dashcam? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best dashcam on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Korfra DVR Dashcam. The Korfra front and rear DVR dashcam offers comprehensive vehicle surveillance with its dual lens system, capturing both front and rear views. Equipped with a 3.39-inch IPS screen, it provides clear visuals for real-time monitoring and playback. The dashcam supports 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, ensuring high-definition recordings. Features include night vision, a built-in G sensor for detecting impacts, and loop recording for continuous footage. Connectivity options encompass Wi-Fi, allowing for easy file transfers and app control. Designed to operate within a 12V, 24V power range, it is suitable for a variety of vehicles. The device also supports multilanguage settings, enhancing user accessibility. With a maximum memory capacity of 128GB, it offers ample storage for recordings. This dashcam is compatible with various car models, including Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Toyota. Its super night vision capability ensures clear footage even in low-light conditions, providing added security during nighttime driving. Number 2. NOYAFA LF10 Dashcam. The NOYAFA LF10 Dashcam is a feature-rich vehicle recorder designed to enhance driving safety and convenience. It boasts a dual-lens system, capturing both the road ahead and the interior cabin with 170 degrees wide-angle lenses, ensuring comprehensive coverage. The camera records in 1080p HD resolution, delivering clear and detailed footage. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, users can easily access and manage recordings via a mobile app. The voice control feature allows hands-free operation, enabling drivers to focus on the road while managing the device. For added security, the LF10 includes a 24-hour parking monitor, which activates the camera when motion is detected around the vehicle, even when the engine is off. The device also features loop recording, ensuring continuous recording by overwriting older files when the storage is full. With its user-friendly interface and advanced functionalities, the NOYAFA LF10 Dashcam is a reliable choice for drivers seeking to enhance their vehicle's security and monitoring capabilities. Number 3. Jimimax JC400P Dashcam. The Jimimax JC400P 4G Dual Dashcam is an advanced vehicle security solution offering comprehensive monitoring for both the road ahead and the vehicle's interior. It features a 1080p front camera with a 145 degrees wide-angle lens and a 720p interior camera with a 140 degrees angle, providing full coverage of the car's surroundings. Equipped with 4G LTE connectivity, the JC400P enables live video streaming, real-time GPS tracking, and remote monitoring via the LNCOON app, along with two-way voice communication and event alerts for enhanced safety. Additional features include a remote engine cutoff for theft protection, a Wi-Fi hotspot for multiple devices, and support for up to 256GB microSD storage. Operating on a 930V DC power supply, it is suitable for various vehicles, while its discreet design allows seamless installation behind the rear-view mirror. Ideal for personal use, ride-hailing services, or fleet management, the JC400P ensures reliable surveillance and driver safety. Number 4. Baseus VD1 Dash Cam. The Baseus VD1 Dash Cam is a high-performance dual-channel vehicle camera system designed to enhance driving safety and provide comprehensive surveillance. It features a 3K front camera with a 140 degrees wide-angle lens and a 1080p rear camera with a 120 degrees field of view, ensuring detailed coverage of both the road ahead and behind. Equipped with built-in GPS and Galileo satellite support, the VD1 accurately records location and speed data, which can be reviewed via the Baseus mobile app. The system operates on a supercapacitor, offering greater durability and safety compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. For parking protection, it supports 24-hour monitoring, activating upon motion detection or impact, even when the vehicle is off. The dashcam also boasts night vision capabilities, ensuring clear footage in low-light conditions. Its design allows for easy installation and discreet placement within the vehicle. Overall, the Baseus VD1 Dash Cam offers a reliable and feature-rich solution for drivers seeking to enhance their vehicle's security and monitoring capabilities. Number 5. WOLFBOX G900 Dash Camera. The WOLFBOX G900 Tri-Pro bumper version is a premium 3-channel mirror dash cam designed to provide comprehensive vehicle coverage with exceptional video quality. Equipped with a 12-inch IPS touchscreen, it seamlessly integrates into your rearview mirror, offering a dynamic split-screen interface to monitor the front, rear, and bumper areas simultaneously. The dashcam features a 4K front camera, a 2.5K rear camera, and a 1080p bumper camera, all powered by Sony's Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, ensuring superior night vision and clarity in various lighting conditions. It also includes a 256GB microSD card, providing ample storage for high-resolution recordings. Connectivity is enhanced with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing for faster data transfer and seamless integration with the WOLFBOX app for easy video access and management. The system supports voice control, enabling hands-free operation to maintain focus on the road. Additionally, it offers 24/7 parking monitoring, automatically recording when motion or impact is detected while the vehicle is parked. Installation is straightforward, with all necessary components included, such as a car charger, camera cables, mounting hardware, and a user manual. The dashcam is compatible with both 12V and 24V power systems, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles.